Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Now we discuss Physics FSC first year chapter number 2, a unit vector. First of all, we define what is unit vector. A vector having one magnitude which only describe the direction of a vector is called unit vector. A vector with one magnitude and it only describe the direction of a vector is called unit vector. A unit vector is represented by any character with any letter, small alphabet, capital alphabet, with sign of hat above the letter. A unit vector is represented by any character or any letter from A to Z, capital or small, with sign of cap or sign of hat above the letter. For example, A is a letter. This sign is sign of hat or cap. So it is a complete unit vector, means vector A. It will be read as a hat or a cap or a unit vector, such as similarly B hat, B cap or B unit vector. A vector having magnitude, having direction, in this case vector A is magnitude and this is direction, means a unit vector. A unit vector is mathematically represented as, when a vector is divided by its magnitude, then we will find a unit vector. There are 5 types of the unit vector. Number 1, I unit vector. Number 2, J unit vector. 3, K unit vector. R and N unit vector. I unit vector is used to describe the direction along x-axis. Suppose we have 3-dimensional rectangular coordinate system. In this system, direction along x-axis will be represented by unit vector. Similarly, direction along y-axis will be represented by J unit vector, and direction along z-axis, for direction along z-axis we use K unit vector. Suppose we have a vector with its components form. For example, vector A having components AX, AY and AZ. In direction form, it will be represented by unit vector in this way. This is a complete vector A. AX is magnitude of its x component, with I unit vector its direction, AY J unit vector plus AZ K unit vector. There are other two frequently used unit vector are R and N unit vector. R unit vector represents the direction of position vector. For example, in 3-dimensional coordinate system, this R is a position vector represented by line OP. Now we want to describe the direction of this vector, means position vector, means vector R. We will use R unit vector. This R unit vector is direction for position vector. Similarly, N unit vector. N unit vector is used to represent the direction of a normal drawn on any specified surface. For example, this is a plane, this is a specified surface, and this line is a normal or perpendicular. This normal or perpendicular, which is direction of the perpendicular on this plane, will be represented by N unit vector. So I unit vector which is used to describe only the direction along x-axis. J unit vector is used to describe the direction along y-axis. K unit vector is used to describe the direction along z-axis. In three-dimensional system, I, J and K unit vectors represent the directions of specified direction. And R and N unit vector are also used for description of directions of position vector and normal. I want to say an important in this case, a unit vector have only magnitude and direction with no unit. The I unit vector is used to describe only the magnitude and direction. In this case, in this magnitude, there is no unit. There is no specified, no unit in this magnitude. Inshallah, we will discuss the next article. Inshallah, next time. Assalamu alaikum.